Everyone has seen those viral anti-aging ads that promise to reverse the clock. But Lotmay Stem Cell and Collagen Peptide Drops take it to another level, claiming tighter skin, fewer wrinkles, thicker hair, and boosted energy just from a few drops under your tongue. And today I'm breaking down whether there's anything real behind the hype or if it's just another cleverly packaged supplement selling dreams. The marketing looks polished, but the first big red flag is the so-called expert endorsements. Many of the doctors promoting this product are clearly AI-generated faces with no traceable medical licenses or online history. And the supposed medical certifications they display don't match any legitimate US or international boards. The brand heavily pushes a dramatic stem cell renewal story. But biologically, that claim doesn't hold. An over-the-counter liquid cannot regenerate or replace human stem cells, especially without a single verified human study to back it up. When you check the actual ingredients, it's mostly common extracts like hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and resveratrol, all of which may support general skin hydration or antioxidant activity, but none are capable of producing the extreme transformations shown in the ads. The before and after photos look heavily edited or recycled from other beauty scams, and many reviews and testimonials appear scripted or AI written, using the same phrases and identical writing style across different customers. Even the company behind Lotmay is difficult to identify. No physical address, no transparent manufacturing details, and no verified third-party testing. While the drops themselves aren't necessarily harmful, the marketing relies on exaggerated results, misleading science, and rebranded supplement tactics you've seen in countless anti-aging scams. So before you believe the miracle claims or spend money expecting dramatic changes, understanding these red flags can help you avoid disappointment and make smarter skincare decisions.